Maman Judith est professionnelle. Elle a créé une nouvelle méthode là. Ça, nous allons enseigner aux gens qui sont dans les lieux où il n'y a pas la farine de froment. On utilise la farine du manioc. Ça, c'est la meilleure des méthodes. Hein. Donc, elle fait le sambous avec la méthode de la farine du manioc. J'aimerais que les gens quand même s'intéressent. Ça, c'est Mama Kitchen. Elle fait la nouvelle méthode. J'aimerais que quand même les gens... Neftali, tu peux suivre Mama Kitchen on live. She's on live. Huh? Can you watch her? She's on live. But she's crazy. But now you say, you can see. You can like, she's doing a good stuff. Ça, c'est la méthode simple. Farine, donc le manioc. Ça, c'est une créativité qu'on est en train de faire. Donc, le concepteur, c'est le pasteur Jean-Paul. L'exécuteur, c'est Mama Kitchen. Ah, non, c'est terrible. Je suis en train de chercher les views, que les gens viennent nous voir. Ça, c'est la méthode que j'ai conçue. Hein. Je suis en train de créer, je vais voir un peu comme nous sommes en train de produire le manioc à Isiro. Si on peut, je viens de créer cette méthode pour le sambusa avec la farine du manioc. Alors comme... non, pas la pâte, hein, la pâte du manioc. Hein. Donc on a créé avec ça. On est en train d'essayer. Je vois que c'est beau hein, à voir. Hein? Faut bolanda, tolingi batu, bosala ba view, ba like belé kuna. Biso peut créer. Ba gamelien, ba créa, ba Fred, ba créa. Biso peut créer lokomoko. So yebi angote, fina makasi. Hein? Allez-y. Il faut 4 ans. Ouais. Faut toujours au final, ma casse maman Judith. Ça va. C'est déjà beaucoup. C'est déjà beaucoup. Il faut créer. Parce que créer. Hein? Concepteur, le pasteur Jean-Paul. Donc il formule le pasteur Jean-Paul. Hein, maman, c'est ça, non? Le concepteur, c'est le pasteur Jean-Paul. J'ai créé, parce que j'ai fait un show de manioc. Maintenant, je suis en train de raisonner. Comment est-ce qu'on peut nourrir ces enfants? Donc il y a... On prend la pâte du manioc, il y a beaucoup d'ingrédients qui sont là à l'intérieur. Je suis en train de voir comment est-ce que je peux, parce que du côté d'Isiro, le manioc, vraiment, nous avons une grande quantité. Je suis en train de raisonner comment est-ce qu'on peut, en faire une bonne histoire. On aura aussi besoin de la pâte de l'arachide, hein? Hein? Est-ce qu'on va faire Moussoussou? N'a pas ta mariage. Est-ce que la monnaie était, tu sais, les enfants ici pour toi, ils vont faire les commentaires là. Oh, il bien. Na Monique, il faut peut-être renforcer wana, et pas bien. Oh, Moussoussou wana. Oh, wana, ils ont un peu, oh, ils font guami, na ngambo Moussoussou bo. Il faut quand même vu Mama Kitchen a créé concepteur et Zangai. Moi je me rappelle bien que j'étais un bon cuisinier quand ma mère était en vie. C'est moi qui faisais la cuisine, Mike. Hein? Donc Yango Neftali, tu as vu ma fille Neftali comment elle a grossi. Terrible, hein? Neftali, c'est vrai, non? Ici, you are fat. You don't like to be fat? You are what? To my daughter? You are what? You are skinny. Me, I'm fat. You are skinny, no? Ok, ça c'est Mama Kitchen qui a créé. We are doing stuff, hein? We try to use, how we say it? We can say we use is what? How would say? Manioc is cassava. Cassava what? What we did? Bread. And then we are doing like the very nice. I'm just thinking how we can use our cassava because we have like 2 hectares for cassava in Africa. So we don't know what we can do with it. So we try to create something smaller to see how we can feed those orphans. Mommy is very nice. Can you keep going? We're still having some meat here. People are watching on us. I would like people to watch up to the end. I think it can look very nice. I'm just thinking myself how we can use our cassava. We have a lot of cassava in Africa, and I don't know what we can do with it. I'm just thinking how to we can feed those children. So we can use mama again. You understand? We have to use what? You need what? I mean, we use again. You want to use what? Green nut? We can put some green nut inside. And rice, a bit rice too. Rice and mix with green nut. We have some rice there. We shall mix with. We want just to see. That is Mama Kitchen she's doing. I mean, people are watching on us. It's okay. Mama, we create something, a kind of food. We are just using cassava and we make like bread cassava, mommy? Then we are doing sambusa, but with cassava. Yeah. I'm just thinking how to feed those children in Africa with cassava. So this one is, we shall call it by my name because I'm the one who think for it, no, madam? People are watching on me. Naftali. How can I call it? It's not sambusa, but this one will take my name, no? I'm the one who did it. I'm the one who think about it, you know. I mean, Joseph will be happy. Look nice enough for Joseph will be happy today because he's the one who can come and test. He's playing soccer this time. Yeah. We are just thinking how we can do stuff like this and feed the children in Africa. So we have already planted cassava. So we want just to see how we can feed them. You need a bit of effort? Yes, ma'am. Yeah, we are. I mean, people want to listen what we are doing. We are just doing sambusa with cassava. So we want just because we have already planted cassava. We have a big what? Farm for cassava. So now we decide to do sambusa for cassava. We have meat. We have meat and what? We mix meat and what? What we have inside, madam? Onion and what? Garlic and what? What and what? We keep going? I think Joseph will eat around 7, Mama did it. So be careful. Make a lot for Joseph.
Okay, free some for me too.
No, you are far from us. We are just, I tell you, we have many views. So this, I mean, people are following us. You see? Nous sommes en train de préparer le sambusa avec le manioc. Hein? Le manioc, donc la pâte du manioc. Pas la farine du manioc, mais la pâte du manioc. Quel type de manioc? Le manioc frais. Hein? C'est une conception que le pasteur Jean-Paul est en train de mettre. Je vais essayer un peu, parce que j'ai vu qu'on a planté beaucoup de manioc en Afrique. Alors, on est en train de raisonner comment... Parce que les gens ne s'intéressent qu'au manioc juste pour, je ne sais pas, pour de petites choses. Mais nous voulons en faire une histoire qui peut aussi attirer les gens. Donc, on fait le sambusa avec la pâte du manioc. Nous sommes au point, d'abord, on a terminé l'étape de... donc, il faut pétrir cette pâte et vraiment arriver... et aussi, je ne vais pas tout étaler parce qu'il faut que les gens nous appellent. Si vous voulez aussi goûter, il faut nous appeler. Hein? Le téléphone est ouvert, vous pouvez nous appeler. Comme c'est... Comment est-ce qu'on appelle quand on ouvre une maison? C'est open day. Hein? So tu nous appelles si tu veux goûter. If you want to test it, you can call us. I need my brother and my sister. The Bible says you start by... First you start by the brother and sister in Christ. So we are doing sambusa with cassava bread. Huh? Is it cassava bread? So we want to try to see if we can start to do it. We are putting meat, we shall put rice, we shall put again green nut. So we are going like that. We shall, just today is to test, to see how good it can be. I know my children will enjoy today. Eh? It's just Mama is there doing all the stuff. I'm the one who conceived that just to test what I'm planning to do. If we shall be in zero, we shall do it. We shall start to sell it in the supermarket, Mama. It will be good. Really, it will be good. It's nice. We create a food, type of food. You see, as we are pastors, we can create food too for people. We shall test again in the church with our fellow members for the church. We shall tell them to test a bit cassava what? Cassava sambusa. How we can call it cassava sambusa?
Pocket meat cassava.
Pocket meat cassava. Yes. Pocket meat cassava. We try to do our pocket meat cassava. Really is very nice. With different type. We use cassava. Which kind of cassava we say? Cassava what? Fresh cassava. And we do the pocket meat with cassava. My daughter Neftali is just far from us, but she enjoyed to hear about pocket meat cassava. Hey, how nice it is. Neftali Mwamba, you miss, huh? Yes, I want for you to show up if you are just watching on our channel with Mama. We call her Mama Kitchen because my wife like a lot to cook. We call her Mama Kitchen. We are doing some type of what? Mama Kitchen. Type of sambusa. It's a pocket meat cassava. This cassava is a fresh cassava. It's not a... Mommy is enough. I mean, we try again with peanut butter. You still having... But we are finished with this one. We do peanut butter and rice mixed with rice. You understand, huh? And the peanut butter and the rice we mix with what? Milk, huh? With milk, I mean. Then today. But you're supposed to separate to know this one is for milk, peanut butter. You can do two or one for peanut butter like that. Yeah, just we are doing a pocket meat cassava. Yeah, she said like that. But me, I call it cassava. We are doing sambusa with, not with flour. La farine de froment, comment on l'appelle? Flour what? Hein? Neftali. La farine de froment, c'est encore comment? Flowers?
Yes.
Powder flour. Okay. This one is cassava what sambusa. We are doing it for fresh cassava. Donc on la pâte du manioc avec beaucoup d'ingrédients là à l'intérieur parce qu'on ne veut pas vous étaler ce qu'on a fait. Nous sommes en train de tenter de faire le sambusa avec la pâte du manioc fraîche avec beaucoup d'ingrédients là à l'intérieur. C'est Maman Kitchen qui est à l'opération. Moi, je suis le concepteur. Les gens qui nous suivent, c'est moi qui ai conçu. Je suis en train de voir comment est-ce que we can feed those children in Africa. Because we have already planted cassava in our farm. We have a lot of cassava. And you know, soon we shall have around 40 children orphan who are coming. Because they propose, the government asked me if I can add more children. Really, I'm going on that way. Now, not only in Congo, but everywhere. And because now I decided to follow the orphan everywhere they will be. Not only in Africa. Even if here in the US, we shall go in Puerto Rico. We shall go everywhere they are orphan to see how we can feed them. That one is my ministry. God, the Lord called me to support the children who are suffering and women who are violented. We shall help them too. I mean, Neftali, you are saying something?
No, I'm not saying nothing.
Yeah, that one is a lawyer, Neftali. We are waiting for you. Neftali Mwamba, is it right?
Yeah.
I'm waiting for you, Neftali. Keep going. I want for you to be the first one, you know? Neftali. My desire, one day will call the one who can be on the top. You will be the one. So we are doing our cassava sambusa now. Cassava sambusa. I'm the one who conceive it. I want to just to see how we can feed those children in Africa. This step is not the end. There is a time now we shall go to the last procedures. Now we are packing on the pocket. Mama, the pocket, how do you say, pocket meat? Pocket meat cassava, like that. We didn't use the flour, we used the cassava. After this, we shall do other things again. Yeah. Mommy, we can try too with rice, a bit rice with mix with rice mixed with what? With what? How do you call it? Green nuts? Then rice mixed with milk. Just a small one. You can make it the two small one to see. The meat one will be the big one. I know Joseph will be happy today. I mean, this one is good than... Mommy, let me talk like our president. Mommy, this stuff look like... they look good like than... what? The one you buy on what? For Mexican, how do you call it? Burrito. It look like a burrito or what? Huh? Yeah. Neftali, how you call the food for Mexican? Burrito. Then the one we have here in the house is what? So we are just cooking our cassava. Cassava what? Is cassava pocket... cassava pocket meat is pocket meat cassava. Just we want to see how we can feed the children in Africa. I want people to follow me on my channel. This one is a channel for Pastor Jean-Paul. I'm there for the children, the orphan over the world. The Lord called me for those children. I can't avoid that work. Now we are no longer again only in Africa. We shall be everywhere. Like I'm saying, we shall go to Puerto Rico. We shall go wherever there are children who are suffering, orphan. We shall follow them to see how we can be involved on their problem. Okay, this one is cassava pocket meat. Now it's okay. Cassava pocket meat. Pocket meat cassava. Cassava pocket meat. Right. We want to try again to see how it can look. It's not a flour for cassava, but this one is just, how do you say, the fresh cassava. Fresh cassava. If someone wants to learn about it, you can call us. You can call to our Facebook. We are on Facebook. We are in YouTube. We have our channel. The channel is for Pastor Jean-Paul. And this pastor care about children. My ministry is about children who are suffering over the world. The children, orphan children over the world. I'm there for them. Mommy Amini, the last one, can you do with a bit rice? We shall see. We shall test. You can make even the small one. Make a small one. So can I bring for you the saucepan for rice? Yeah, can you get the rice saucepan? So where are them? They are here. Okay. So can you go ahead? This one is the rice I cook myself. Can you try this one too? So you need this one too. So you're supposed to mix with this one. I'm just thinking how to feed my children. Oh, Mr. Joe is there. Come on. We are on channel. Come here. This one is Mr. Joseph. I mean, he will enjoy today. You will enjoy what? Sambusa. It's not a sambusa, a common sambusa. Joe. Why? Yeah, we are on the step now to test and to put some. But this kind of green, Mama, how do you call it? That pineapple? Huh? Because they're a bit different. They has. You can show us inside.
Crunchy peanut butter.
Crunchy peanut butter. So why we use that one? Because cassava, I'm the one who conceive. Cassava and the peanut butter, they match. Is that what I'm saying? Let us try a bit rice inside and a bit peanut butter inside. Why we mix rice and peanut butter? Because you know, when we put only peanut butter inside and we put on fire, it can be nice. Is that when we try to put a bit rice? No, you see there we are doing stuff. They look nice, no? Come on, man. Yo, what can you say about? Can you say something about that?
Sambusa is very good.
Which kind of sambusa?
Not a special sambusa.
No, it's not a special one. We are doing with cassava.
Oh, not the common one.
And not the common one. Yeah. We try to change a bit. You see, Mommy is doing a bit of rice. She want to mix with what?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. And we expect you will be back, huh?
Yeah, well, I'll be back for sure.
Okay. Yeah, Mommy, you can leave a bit of rice, a bit we shall put milk. Can you use a... we shall put milk again. We want just to test how it can look. We are creating stuff, Mommy. I'm the conceiver. You understand? I'm the one who think about it. Why we put milk, Mama Judith? You know, on the area we are, there is a lot of cow. We have milk on that side. Children, they don't use that milk. I'm just thinking how they can take a milk too. We mix rice and milk. You understand that? Then we put on the pocket for cassava. Yeah. Mommy, you will do two. Can you make it two? One only. But all of us, we can eat only one. Why not to make a small one, Mommy? And one, but you still having rice, no? I don't know if milk can buy. We can do next time with milk. What do you say?
One for me.
No, you do only pocket this one. Why not to make it a small one? Make it two small one for rice. We shall do milk next time, huh? Let us try this one. We can do all the stuff only today. Can you make it two small? Add more what? More pineapple? Peanut butter. You know, me, as I learn a lot of French, but sometimes I can speak nice, sometimes I'm away because my French has already stayed with me for long. Okay, can you add more? I don't know if people are watching on us. We have some people. We are glad. Can you like it to show us what we are doing? We create stuff. Mama, she's a good cooker. We make money sometime like that. People are calling her to cook for them. She can make what? What did you make yesterday? How do you call it? Le beignet. Now we are making sambusa with cassava. This one, it look like it's the best. We still having a step now to fry it on oil. And that one will be the last point. And after that, we can eat. I mean, when we shall start to eat, we can tell people to watch on us. There will be our matter in the family. So my children are going to play soccer because they know they will come and eat. Mama, can you make 2 small one? Okay? 2 small. On the corner. Huh? Yeah. So you see we have many people who are watching on us. Can you like our channel? It's the channel for Pastor Jean Paul. We shall be in YouTube again soon. As we are just learning, we create something. On vient de créer quand même les sambusa avec la pâte du manioc. Hein? On pocket cassava pocket meat. Donc nous sommes en train, non only cassava pocket meat, parce que nous avons aussi le riz avec comment on appelle, le peanut. On va essayer aussi avec ça. Nous sommes en train de créer quand même, nous créons parce qu'on veut chercher comment on va commencer à nourrir nos enfants orphelins. Parce qu'ils ne peuvent pas toujours consommer le manioc. Le manioc n'est pas riche en lui seul. Il faut toujours ajouter quelque chose. C'est pour cela que j'ai choisi le peanut. Ça va aussi aider. Est-ce que je crois que c'est fini? Est-ce qu'on a encore le manioc? On a terminé. Maintenant, on va passer. Maintenant, tu peux mettre l'huile sur le feu. Est-ce qu'il faut que j'interrompe? The last step. So we want to see. They look very nice. Hein? Donc, qu'est-ce que nous avons fait ici? Vous allez voir. Ce sont les cassava pocket meat. Just we want to see how we can feed the children. It look very nice, I tell you. Not yet to fry. We want now to put oil on the fire. Then Mama is there. She wants just to put oil. I'm on the kitchen. I'm the one who touched the book. So you want to, which kind of oil you are using? So this one is canola oil. Okay, let us see. It can take only 10 minutes. It's over. Yeah. I mean, it's okay. Huh? Naftali Mwamba, what did you say? Now we are on the step. She wants just to fry the cassava pocket meat. It can't take long. I mean, she's there. You know, Mama is a professional. Me, I'm just writing and as she can make it like she wants. But today is the day. My children are laughing on me. They say, Papa, your sambusa. I need this boy to come back. Benjamin was laughing for me when I was just thinking how to make a sambusa with a cassava what? The fresh cassava. I was thinking about it because now we have a lot of cassava in our farm in Africa for those orphans. They can't eat every day. Eat cassava. Let the cassava help them in different way. Let me stand on the place people will watch properly. Mommy, you start by which kind? Meat? Okay. Naftali Mwamba, I mean, you are watching on us. We are there. We test something. Huh? It's a kind of food we are making today. Which kind of food? You see, we have 2 pockets meat of cassava. Mommy wants just to fry it on oil. Then we shall see. It's the way we shall feed those children in Africa. we shall use cassava. The area we are is not easy to get the flour. Flour? How do you say it? Flour for? So it's a problem. So we can use cassava. I want just to go there and teach them how to do those pocket meat for cassava. I mean, it can, people will like it. They look nice, Mama Judith. I mean, they can be, I think like they can be like a yellow. Mama Judith. They can take the color for yellow. If it's like that. Can you watch? There is no any hole. I mean, it can be a hole. Watch a bit your oil to be hot. Yeah, it's Mama Judith. Let me be on this side, Mama Judith. You can be on this side. So we are watching on you. Come on. Come on with your cassava. Yeah, I'm on this side for... I'm just waiting for her. We want to see the fast. I conceive that kind of food. I'm just thinking, comment est-ce qu'on peut nourrir 40 enfants orphelins? J'ai conçu qu'avec le manioc, on peut faire aussi le sambusa. Mais quel type de sambusa? C'est, comment on dit, le manioc frais là. Hein, le manioc frais, on fait la pâte. Mais là, il faut qu'on cache un peu. Parce que les gens qui vont s'intéresser à nous, on va leur dire comment on a fait cette pâte. Ce n'est pas facile hein, d'arriver à cette pâte. C'est moi seulement, j'ai créé. Je vais juste voir comment est-ce que je veux commencer à nourrir les enfants orphelins. Parce que le nombre maintenant, we are going to 40 children in my compound. I tell you, not me, because I receive a call from the government. They want to add more children in my orphanage. I'm going soon to see what we can do. But I have my garden, my farm there for cassava. I can find out. Lord called me to feed the children. He called me for that ministry. Ale, Mama, we are waiting for you. I mean, it's hot now. No, can you test a bit with a small one? Just to see if it's hot. A small, yes. Yes, can you start to test? Because we're scared to ban a small. Opo o go tester na ka boule muke. Hein? O baki ka boule muke o timu. Belo tester plusieurs fois. Ezuna no moto te. Bimisa na nongo. Simbi na se. Yeah. We want just to see oil if it's a... How will you do it when I will be in Africa, Mama? For those children I can cook. Sometimes I cook for them. You can't believe. And you know I'm a cooker too. I can cook for them. Yeah. So I know people are watching on us. We are just thinking how we can feed the children in Africa. We have our farm from cassava. And we can cook it only on one way. We are just thinking how to make sambusa with cassava now. It's the step. I'm the one who conceived it. I try to show Madame. Now we want to test it. I'm doing this just to show people we want to improve how we can feed the 40 children orphan who are now in our area. They want to be in my orphanage. The Lord called me for that one. Let me find out. Nous sommes en train de raisonner comment on peut commencer à nourrir 40 enfants orphelins. Parce que nous avons notre ferme avec le manioc. On ne peut pas toujours préparer pour eux le manioc et l'haricot. Mais nous sommes en train de raisonner si le manioc peut leur faire le sambusa. C'est ce que j'ai conçu aujourd'hui. Vous voyez le modèle de sambusa que moi j'ai conçu. C'est tout à fait différent. C'est moi qui ai conçu ça. Je ne veux pas que ça prenne mon nom. Mais c'est moi qui ai conçu ça. J'ai essayé de montrer à Madame. On y va. Aujourd'hui, vous allez voir comment est-ce que on va réussir cette histoire. On est au last point now. On a commencé par faire la pâte. On a fait le pocket meat. Après le pocket meat, on est maintenant au dernier point. C'est just to what? To fry it. Ok. Je sais, il y a beaucoup de gens qui nous suivent. Elle s'appelle Mama Kitchen. Madame fait beaucoup sur la cuisine. Ça, c'est son métier. Elle aime bien faire la cuisine. Et chaque jour, il y a des gens de commandes qui viennent. Elle fait les quoi? Les beignets, les samboussas, elle cook pour les restaurants. Nous, c'est un peu comme ça. Hein. Si on était chez nous, on allait créer déjà notre restaurant. Mais les États-Unis, il y a beaucoup de restrictions pour les restaurants. C'est pour cela qu'on est bloqué. Mais avec le temps, on en finira toujours par avoir notre restaurant. Nous sommes au point. Aujourd'hui, on va tester. Il y a deux différents, comment on dit, hein? Il y a two kinds. We use rice with peanut butter and we use... Ok. Et c'est du moto. Donc, je peux avancer pour voir... attention, maman Judith. Malembe, malembe. Bon, on ne sait pas encore ce que ça va donner. On s'imagine que ça va aller. Hein, maman Judith? Ça va aller. Donc, on a conçu. On comprend que maman Cécile le téléphone. Hein? Et ça, nini, azolo banini. Na habité azolo banini. On y a belé. Maman n'a pas to échoué, allez-y lentement. Hein? Ok. Ils ont matalikolo. Ok, ça peut aller. J'ai raisonné sur ça. Peut-être c'est parce que ma carte est vide. Moi, mon pépé, on a zélanan. Zélanan, nous balouka, ils allaient changer couleur. Les autres, on a bien. Hein? Donc, papa, ça terrible. J'ai créé, Mike. Hein? Aïe, 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 aïe. Pocket meat. Which kind of OG? Cassava pocket meat. We want to test. We shall do it again in the church. Huh? We shall show people how we are thinking. Just I'm the one. I'm the one. I conceive with this one. Mommy, it look good, huh? Yeah. C'est beau, hein? C'est beau? On y va un peu. Et ça sent bon, hein? Ozoyoga solo, hein? Yeah, how do you feel it? It smells nice, huh? To smell or to... Neftali, it smells very nice here, I tell you, you can't believe. So what we can do for you? So what we can do for you? Maman, wait, pas que t'as pas que ça la chocolat, que ça peut aller, non? Hein? Bon, quelle est la différence entre la farine de fromage, les pockets, hein, pour la farine de fromage? Ce n'est pas pesant, hein? C'est trop léger. Mais celui-ci, c'est léger, non? J'ai conçu, j'ai raisonné seulement que je peux arriver à ça. Je sais que ça vous faisait rire quand je parlais du manioc, mais je vois déjà que ça est loco. Hein? Maman Judith. Ceux qui me tapent si commande, on peut faire ça, non? Mais à condition que Ndez, la moins bon va bien. Ok. I mean, they look nice, huh? Can I leave for you to see? They look nice. Let us see. I will show to my brother, my fellow brother for the church too. I'm just thinking how we can feed those children. Mama, you start to change the color, you see? Yeah, it can look good, I see. We wait up to the end. I mean, you can take the color for cassava when you fry it in oil. Huh? Okay. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah, we are doing stuff today. I'm the one who conceived it. I'm glad to how my children will be up in Africa. Yes. 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 Mommy, it can be sold, no? Cassava is cheap. Huh? To get the flour is a problem in our area, no? Cassava is very cheap, Mama Judith. Huh? I mean, we shall get. It's a good deal, you know? Oh, how good it is. Pekitoko kosala na basani one ozomonate. Huh? Atana feti boy. Mommy. Someone asked me how much you can sell one. So what can I say? Huh?
We don't know yet.
We don't know yet how much it will be. We just started the first day we test. Huh? Mommy, can I help you just? It's the first day we are testing. Wait a bit, Mommy. You are sure it's ready? No. Yeah. Yeah, no, this one will be only for Christian, my fellow brothers in Christ. So we create something today. I don't know if someone has already made it. This one I think only because we planted cassava in our area. The area we have a big orphanage. So we are just thinking how we can feed them with cassava. This one is a cassava pocket meat. It's like a sambusa. I'm the one who think for it. I see it look like very nice. I never like sambusa, but this one I feel like I can like it. Mama, it look nice, you know? Benjamin will be happy, no? My son like those type. They eat burritos. So today we make for them this one. Ok, je sais que les gens qui nous suivent, vous vous demandez qu'est-ce que nous sommes en train de faire. J'ai conçu comment est-ce qu'on peut nourrir 40 enfants. Parce que nous avons planté le manioc. Et le coin où nous avons notre orphelinat, il n'y a pas la farine de froment. Hein? C'est ça la farine de froment. Alors nous avons conçu, j'ai raisonné qu'avec le manioc, je peux en faire, on peut même faire le beignet comme ça, maman Judith. Hein, si on met quelque chose à l'intérieur, on peut arriver au beignet, non? Oui, oui. Nous allons faire, j'ai créé, maman attendez un peu, j'aimerais que ça change, hein? Que ça prenne la couleur. C'est la première fois qu'on essaye. On va voir ce que ça va donner. Ah, maman, c'est beau, non? Vraiment. Il faut que soit à la couleur wana. Soit une couleur à chocolat wana. Mais ma faut que les moto sur côté. Au sandeni. Ah. Et yango kuto ezo zikate parce que les années ti beignet parce qu'à l'intérieur il y a déjà la viande qui est déjà cuite. Hein? Bato bazolanda biso batala kaka. Je vous dis que bon, je suis en train de raisonner. J'ai une charge terrible. Je suis au point d'avoir 40 enfants orphelins qu'on veut me donner à l'est de la République démocratique du Congo. Je vous dis comment est-ce que je peux. Je suis en train de raisonner avec l'équipe que j'ai, comment est-ce que je peux commencer à nourrir ces enfants. J'ai une ferme du manioc. Hein? Il y a le porc. Nous avons il y a beaucoup d'histoires, mais maintenant le manioc, c'est ce que nous avons planté en grande quantité. J'ai raisonné comment nourrir ces enfants avec le manioc. Les enfants mangent le riz et mangent le manioc avec le haricot. Mais je vois que ça ne les intéresse pas. Je vais en faire avec le manioc maintenant une pâte qu'on finira à faire le sambusa. Je vois que c'est beau. C'est déjà beaucoup, maman Judith. Hein? Nous sommes au point. Après ça, nous allons couper, nous allons arrêter notre... Je crois que les gens ont déjà vu. Les gens qui s'intéressent à ça, vous nous appelez. Vous faites des commandes, vous allez tester aussi. Ça ne serait pas gratuit. Maman, vous lui dites, is it ready? It's okay? Non, nous avons échangé le sauce. Bon, no? I don't know what do you say, mommy? But it look very nice. Ça même pour la fête, non? Quand quelqu'un a une fête d'anniversaire. Mais il faut créer. Le mal, we are just eating a common food anytime. You know, sometime, anytime you are on the bread, every day, bread. Why not to create like me? Oh, I'm glad to see what I plan. It's your first time to go something like this. I'm the one who conceived it, madam. Right, no? Yeah. Thank you very much. Can you remove it? I mean, you remove that one? I don't know. Your boy will be happy, no? Ah, la. Very nice. Can you pack it properly, Mama Judith? Mama. It's very nice, no? Mama Judith. Huh? Can you bring it on the table? Can I just show to my followers? Can you put it there? I mean, Neftali, can you watch? Tell you, it's very nice. This one is cassava pocket meat. We try, Neftali. How do you see it? You can't come and eat. You are too far. My daughter is claiming to come and eat. But you are too far, my daughter. Huh? Too far, Neftali Mwamba. How can you come and eat this one? It looks very nice. Mama, how we can eat it? Just with salad, what?
I think
This one we can eat with
ketchup.
ketchup. We put salad too.
Ketchup is really good. Ketchup.
Oh, Neftali Mwamba, we shall keep for you, huh? She has conference, you see. Mama Judith. We are waiting to the end. Let me, my followers, they will watch till to the end. Huh? Yeah, let me talk like this. Can I take off? So thank you very much for those one who are following us. We have already made it. We made cassava pocket meat. We put again cassava rice with panabat, and it's a lot. We can show you the time we shall eat. I mean, you follow it. Thank you very much. We are done. You have already see what we are doing today. Is cassava pocket meat. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Let me, Mama, you can say bye to people who are watching. Let me be on that side. That side, Mommy Judith, they can watch on you. It's Mommy Judith, she's a cooker. Bye, bye, bye. Thank you very much.